Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to add bio on Thread app. Why would you want to know how to add bio on Threads app? Well, maybe it is your first time using Threads and not sure how to add bio on Threads app. So today I am going to show you how to add bio on Threads app. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Adding bio from Thread app is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will add bio on Thread app. First of all, open Thread app in your device, and now here is my Thread home screen. And then click on your profile icon in the right bottom corner, and now in this screen click on Edit Profile, and then click on Write Bio. Now first enter your bio and click on check mark and then click on done in the right top corner. And now your bio has been added into Threads app. So there you go. If you were wondering how to add bio on Thread app, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.